Okay, parents, I've got my microphone fixed, so we're going to give this another try. So I'm going to be showing you some resources that your students have available to them in their Google Drive, and they should be able to share with you. That will hopefully be useful in class and at home as they're working and as they're studying for quizzes and tests. So this is our classrooms page down the main areas where I post everything. We do post a lot of stuff here, so if you're looking for something that was from a little while ago, the topics section is often helpful. You can click on the math section, it will pull up anything I've posted related to math, which will make it a little easier to find. I don't post too many due dates for work, but if there is something due, that's going to be up here in the left-hand side. This is one of the ways that we get to our Google Calendar for our class. You can click About and then Google Calendar. Students are welcome to open it on your home family computer, and you can bookmark it, which is a guaranteed way to have that. This is where we post homework, upcoming quizzes, and other important dates. Students, as I said, can find work that I've shared in Classroom, but once they've opened it, it's automatically available in their Google Drive. The fastest way I find is just to search for that topic. So if they're looking for the math anchor charts, they would type in math anchor charts, and it should pop up for them. When your student is absent during the day, I'm going to keep track of the work that we've done. I'll type up a document like this and send it to them through Classroom. It will have in bold any action they need to take, work that they need to do. If there is anything handed out virtually during the day, they'll be able to find that in Classroom. If there is anything in hard copy on paper handed out during the day, there is a folder on my teacher wardrobe where they can pick that up when they arrive. In math, reading and writing, anytime we are having a lesson and taking notes, when we're done, I post it up into these slideshows that I've shared with the students. They're called Math Anchor Charts example here. For each of the units, it's the note pages. The kids can use this to do work at home, to study, and to show you what we're working on. Try and get rid of this. Stop. Go away. Sorry about that. Writing, we have the same, and this again they can pull up while they're writing if that's going to be helpful to them, or at home when they're working. And again, during reading, all the things that we've discussed, they can pull it up during reading time, or they can also look at it at home and share that with you. For science and social studies, this year for the first time I'm trying online notebooks. The kids will be have that in their drive. We'll be adding to it. Sometimes it's something I've created, sometimes it's something I made they have to add to, or sometimes it'll be something they create completely on their own. But this is creating kind of all the information they'll need to know for that topic. So in this case, geography and the regions that go along with that. In science, we do the same with ecosystems. So it's kind of a good source for what we're studying, what they need to know for quizzes, and keeping up with their work, and a nice thing to share with you also. So all these resources, as again, they can either find them again on Classroom, or they can search for them in their Google Drive. They should be able to share them with you. If there are any questions about where to find these things, let me know.